Google Chrome, is there a keyboard shortcut to open a link in a new tab? Is it possible to open a link in a new background tab in Google Chrome with a keyboard shortcut? I know it's possible with Ctrl plus click and middle click, and I know that Shift plus enter opens the link in a new browser window.
Ctrl plus enter should work.
Shortcuts. For Windows and Linux, Alt plus Enter. For Mac, open in new background tab, CMD plus Enter. Open in new tab, CMD plus Shift plus Enter. Usage. You could use it the following ways. Highlight link tab. Open link in new tab, Alt plus Enter, Windows to Linux, CMD plus Enter, plus Shift in Mac. Or jump to address bar, STRG plus L, Windows to Linux, CMD plus L, Mac. Type in URL or search term. Open in new tab, Alt plus Enter, Windows to Linux, CMD plus Enter, plus Shift in Mac. Source. Here you can find all Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts. Some of them are pretty useful.
Ctrl plus enter to open a link in a new tab and stay on the current tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus enter to open a link in a new tab and go to the new tab.
Type in your search query and then use the Shift plus to navigate through the search results. You would see an arrow appear near the links when you move through them. To open a link, hit enter. Ctrl plus enter would open it in a new tab. It would be great if there was a keyboard shortcut to open the first link directly in a new tab, something like Shift plus 1. I have not found anything of that sort till now.
Type your query in the search box. Press enter. When the results page appears, press tab once. You should be able to see an arrow pointing towards the first link. You can move to other links using up and down arrows. Go to the link you want and press Ctrl plus enter to open in a new tab, or just enter to open in the same tab. You can use Shift plus enter to open it in a new window.